Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier treats. My focus is high protein, high fiber, and really great healthy fats. Today we're making a brownie baked oatmeal, a high protein brownie baked oatmeal. So baked oatmeal is really fantastic because it's easy, comes together in one bowl typically, and you just throw it in the oven. The thing about baked oats is that the carbs can be quite high per serving. So what I decided to do is I actually decided to cut the amount of oats that I use in the recipe by almost half and replace it with flaxseed, chia seed, and hemp seeds. The recipe only calls for a quarter cup of sweetener, so I used maple syrup, but you can use whatever you like. And I did use a vanilla protein powder. 2 servings actually, but you don't have to use protein powder. If you choose not to use protein powder, you're looking at about 16 grams of protein per serving. If you are using the protein powder, then it's about 25 grams per serving. The nut butter that I chose for the recipe is peanut butter because chocolate and peanut butter are a fantastic combination, but you can also change that to a seed butter or even almond butter. This is a 1 bowl recipe in the oven about 30 minutes if you're using a 9x9 pan, or about 40 to 45 if you're using an 8x8 pan. So let's make this high protein brownie baked oatmeal.
I'm going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to grease your pan. I use a ceramic dish. This is a 9x9. You can also use an 8x8. You're going to grab a bowl and you're going to add your 2 eggs. You can use your milk of choice. This is homemade almond milk, 1.5 cups. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup or whatever sweetener you like. And a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, or again, whatever nut butter you like or seed butter. Some vanilla extract for flavor. And 2 servings of vegan protein powder. I use the Sun Warrior brand. This is the vanilla flavor. You're going to give everything a really good mix. I like to add the protein powder now because it dissolves really well in the wet ingredients. Next, you're going to add your oats. I'm using sprouted oats. They seem to be a little better for digestion. 1/2 cup of hemp seeds. And 2 tablespoons of both chia and flax, ground flax. And obviously we need some cocoa powder for this brownie batter. So that's about 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. And next you're going to add your leavening agent. And a little salt. You want to give everything a good mix. This is actually the time to add your chocolate chips if you'd like to add them. So you would add about 1/2 cup here. I actually forgot to add them on camera, so I actually added them to the top. You're going to grab your batter and put it in your baking dish. And you're going to do a nice little even layer from corner to corner to make sure it bakes evenly. And as I said, I forgot to add my chocolate chips. Now, when you add them to the top like this, you do risk them from burning a little bit. So off camera, I actually did press them into the batter a little bit. And once it's out of the oven, you have these gorgeous chocolatey brownie baked oats. When it does cool down, I do love to drizzle some peanut butter on the top. Enjoy these healthy, decadent brownie baked oats.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try our high protein brownie baked oatmeal, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.